Title: The Mysterious World of Bioluminescent Creatures. Guess what? Some animals in the deep ocean can glow in the dark. It's called bioluminescence, and it's like having your own built-in flashlight. Isn't that awesome? Did you know that firefly squids use their light-up powers to communicate? They flash different patterns to talk to each other underwater. That's like an underwater light show. Here's something even cooler: the anglerfish has a glowing lure that dangles in front of its mouth to attract prey. It's like nature's version of fishing. Now, hold on to your hat, 'cause here's the most mind-blowing part: the vampire squid can emit bursts of light to scare away predators. Instead of ink, it has a light-up poof of glittery goo. Wow! So next time you're gazing at the ocean, remember all these magical glow-in-the-dark sea critters. Smash that like button if you want to shine bright with more cool facts, and subscribe to see even more amazing wonders. Bye-bye.